So for Saaboodaana Kheer, we need milk. I've taken 1.5 liters, pure ghee, 1 cup sugar, dry fruits, cardamom seeds and Saaboodaana. These are soaked in water for half an hour and they're 400 grams. So I've put the milk to boil and we're not going to let it boil completely, just so it gets a thin layer of cream on it. And after that we'll put Saaboodaana in it. Now that we see a thin layer of cream and it's not boiling completely, so we're going to put the Saaboodaana in it. And we're going to stir it nicely and we're going to leave it for a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, so that it boils nicely. Keep stirring it occasionally, and I've transferred this kheer into a bigger vessel because the previous one was not able to contain the weight and it might happen, so you need to keep space a little for it to boil. Meanwhile, I have separated the cardamom seeds from their covers and crushed them, and I've done the same over here. I've crushed the dry fruits. You can also cut it, but I like them better crushed. Now that it's boiling nicely, I am going to add the sugar. One cup, and you add sugar accordingly to the milk you take. I'm going to stir it nicely so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Now what I've done here is that I've removed 3 spoons of ghee into this, and I'm going to heat it up and then I'm going to put it in the milk. I'm heating up the ghee on slow flame or medium flame, but don't keep it too fast. Keep stirring occasionally so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. It shouldn't get stuck at the bottom. Now that it's nice and hot, we're not going to let it boil. I'm going to put this into this, like this. We're going to stir it again. I'm adding ghee for flavor. You can also skip the ghee portion if you want and not add ghee. Now that it's boiling nicely, I'm going to add the cardamom seeds. Now we're going to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to boil and get thick. It's already thick, but if you want to make it thicker, let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Or if you want really liquidish, you can turn off the gas and add dry fruits in it. After 10 to 15 minutes, as you see, it's gotten really nice and thick. So I'm going to turn off the gas and let it stay for a while. So now that I let it set for like 10 minutes, hardly 10 minutes, I'm going to add the final touch, which is the dry fruits. I'm just going to put it here. And we're done. So here it is, our yummy kheer is ready, and if you liked my recipe, please subscribe my channel for more.